Hello, my name is Amanda Melcher, and I'm an assistant librarian at Jernigan Library. Today I'll briefly show you how to search for an article in the database IEEE Xplore. To access it, start by going to the library's homepage, lib.tamuk.edu. From our homepage, look to the upper left of your screen and click on the link that says Online Resources. All of our online databases are organized in two ways: alphabetically with letter tabs at the top, and by subject on the right. IEEE Xplore begins with the letter I, so I'll go ahead and click the letter I tab. Once I find my database, I'll go ahead and click on its name. The database features several boxes to type in your search terms or concepts. So if you're looking for works about standardization of broadband networks, you simply put each term or each concept in its own box. Now that I've typed in both my terms, I'll go ahead and click the search button. The database will then show you a list of all of its contents that match the two terms you searched for. To access any article, simply click on its title. You'll be taken directly to the article record. This section contains author information, publication facts, as well as an abstract. To download a PDF of the article, find and click on the PDF icon above the abstract section. This has been a brief tutorial in using IEEE Xplore. If you need further assistance, please browse related videos or contact the library's reference desk at 361-593-3319. Thank you.